So here, here is one question from Leet Code. So I will try to solve this. Here, this is our question. Let's see what is given in the question. Here it is asking that one question I have randomly selected. So here it is. The question is here. It is asking who has the most friends. Means at the end we have to find the count of means count of the friend. So count of the person. So this will be our task. So for this, here it is given us one table, and the attributes are register ID. So these columns are register ID, acceptor ID, and accept date. So and here are some friends, and this is our task to find the count. So there may be many ways to solve this, but one of the ways we can solve, I think we can use common table expression, that is CT. So let's try once. Let's see what will be the our result. So here we will first make common table expression. So for this we will write with CTE as as um, as with CT as select requester ID. This requester ID, we will select uh, requester ID as we will give allies here, and we will give allies as ID. So as ID from this table is a request accepted. So okay, so now okay, and we will do union all, and do same thing. Select here it is requester ID, and now we will use acceptor ID as ID from request accepted. So here doing these things, sell ID as ID and acceptor ID as ID, this will merge the two table and give us a column whose name will be ID. So after this we will see our output. What will be the output? Select star from CTE, run. So our output will be 1 1 2. Now now the task is to find the count. So our task is to find the count. So again we will make a CTE. So CTE 2 as select ID, comma, count of ID as, here we will give alias as number. Here it is shown as num. So as num from CTE 1. CTE 1. Oh, sorry. Here it is not CT. Here it is not CT1. Here it is CTE from CTE, group by uh, ID. Okay. Okay. Now, okay. Here I have to give comma. Now, C select star from CTE 2. Run. What will be the output now? Okay. So see here, some means the count of every element is showing in this column, num column. So our task is to extract this thing only, this, and that will be our output. So there may be another option in which we can also use limit, means order by decimal, and then limit equal to 1. This will also give us the output, but this can make error if means it can be it can fail while doing a test cases. So we will go in a, means in a correct form that will not reject by any tas- uh, test cases. So for now we will make another CTE 3 as CTE 3 as as now we will extract only the maximum count here, means this 3 1. So select max id num num from CTE2 from CTE2. Now we will see what will be the output. Select star from CTE3. Now now look at the output. What will be the output now? Something here wrong. Okay, here comma hmm, 3. Okay, 3 as num. I will give you as num. As a num will be our allies. Now I make run again raw code. Okay, this will be our output here. Okay, now here we can use inner join. Here we can use inner join, and the inner join will be on CTE3 and CTE2, and the column of CTE will be our this num column, and in and the another table will CTE, the column will be num column. So for here we will do select. CL is select select ID. Select CTE 2 dot ID, comma CTE 3 CTE 3 dot num uh, from CTE 2 inner join join inner join CTE 3 using, we can write here using, or we can write use here on, and then we can give the reference column, common column, but here here the allies are the same, so we can use using using using. Now and here we will give our common reference table column, that will be num. Okay, now run this code. It is showing accepted. Let's run submit and check whether it is passing all the test cases. Yes, it's passed all the test cases. So thank you. And in upcoming videos, I will also solve some SQL projects. So I will also solve some hacker rank, Leet Code, Code Chef questions. Yeah, and we will try some more questions. And if you guys have some another sort of link or some good projects, please suggest me. I will also do that project, and we will solve together. We will solve that question and learn new things and explore new things. And if you guys have some another way to solve the question, you can suggest me. You can give me the another solution, that will be most welcome. And so bye. Okay.